The giant fig, a unique fruit that impresses not only with its remarkable size but also its flavor and economic value, is gradually becoming a new symbol of Asian agriculture, from lush green fig orchards to state-of-the-art production lines. The journey of the giant fig is a tale of innovation, effort, and strategic vision from farmers and agribusinesses. In this video, we will dive deep into the cultivation, harvesting, and processing of giant figs in Asian countries. This story also unveils how nations in the region are transitioning from small-scale production to modern agricultural industries, creating sustainable value and an expansive market for this exceptional fruit. Origins and significance. The giant fig is not a natural plant species but rather a hybrid of various fig varieties, developed to meet the growing demand of the consumer market. Initial research on this fig species was conducted in China and India, two nations with a rich tradition in agriculture. Outstanding traits of the giant fig. Giant figs can weigh up to 1 to 2 kilograms, with taut, glossy skins, thick flesh, and a naturally sweet flavor. These figs are perfect for fresh consumption or processing. Their high nutritional value, particularly antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin A, makes them an ideal choice for health-conscious consumers. Economic importance. The demand for giant figs comes not only from domestic markets but is also driven by exports. This fruit is now available in major supermarkets across Europe, the US, and the Middle East, bringing significant foreign revenue to producing countries. China, a pioneer in fig development. China is one of the first countries to successfully breed and cultivate giant figs on a large scale. In provinces such as Guangdong and Guangxi, the government has heavily invested in high-tech agricultural projects, boosting productivity and product quality. Vietnam, a rising star in domestic and international markets. Vietnam began cultivating giant figs in the 2010s, with imported varieties from India and China. Provinces such as Tien Giang, Dong Thap, and Lam Dong have become key production areas. Vietnamese farmers not only focus on cultivation but also develop processed products such as fig jam, fig juice, and dried figs. India, the legend of sustainable agriculture. India, with its long-standing agricultural tradition, quickly capitalized on the giant fig variety to develop organic farms. In Maharashtra, thousands of hectares of land have been converted to grow this fruit, bringing high profits to local farmers. Cultivation conditions. Giant figs thrive best in tropical and subtropical climates, with ideal temperatures ranging from 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. The soil should have a neutral pH, be rich in organic matter, and have good drainage. Care procedures. Planting phase. Seedlings are carefully selected and planted in pits enriched with organic fertilizers. Irrigation. Giant figs require moderate watering, avoiding overly dry soil or waterlogging. Pest control. Common issues such as stem borers and mold are controlled using organic methods, minimizing the use of chemicals. Harvesting. Harvest timing. Figs are harvested at optimal ripeness, usually in the early morning to retain freshness. Tools used. Specialized knives and scissors are used to cut the stems without damaging the fruit skin. Processed products from giant figs. Fig jam, made from pureed fig flesh. mixed with sugar and natural spices. This product is highly popular both domestically and internationally. Dried figs. These retain the natural sweetness of the fruit and are ideal as a healthy snack. Fig powder. Dried figs are ground into powder, which is used in baked goods and health food products. Modern processing technologies. Vacuum drying lines help preserve nutritional value and extend shelf life. High-capacity juices produce fresh fig juice on an industrial scale. Consumption markets. Domestic. Giant figs are now present in most major supermarkets across Asia, becoming a trendy fruit for middle and upper-class consumers. Export. Many shipments have been delivered to countries such as the US, Germany, and the UAE, generating millions of dollars in annual revenue. Opportunities and challenges. The giant fig industry faces numerous opportunities due to the strong global demand. However, challenges such as climate change, crop diseases, and competitive pressures require constant innovation. Solutions for sustainable development. Plant research. Continuously improve quality and productivity through advanced breeding techniques. International collaboration. Asian countries should strengthen partnerships to share technology and expand consumer markets. Brand development. Build the image of Asian giant figs as a symbol of quality and sustainability. Giant figs are not just a story of a unique fruit, but also a testament to the power of innovation and collaboration in agriculture. The journey from lush orchards to premium products on global tables has helped solidify the position of Asian agriculture in the global economy. Garlic, an essential ingredient in Asian cuisine, has established its prominence not only in kitchens but also in the global market. The journey from cultivating garlic bulbs in fertile lands to producing refined processed products is a testament to the diligence, creativity, and success of farmers in Asian countries. Let's explore the inspiring story of garlic harvesting and processing, the golden spice of cuisine and medicine. Garlic in Asian culture. For thousands of years, garlic has been utilized not just as a spice, but also as a valuable remedy in traditional medicine. Cuisine. Garlic is the heart of many dishes, such as Korean kimchi, Chinese stir-fries, and Vietnamese caramelized dishes. Traditional medicine, known as nature's antibiotic. Garlic enhances immunity, prevents colds, and improves blood circulation. Modern trends. Today, garlic is also favored as a functional food, such as black garlic, which provides superior health benefits. Top garlic producing regions. Asia boasts famous garlic growing regions thanks to unique climates, soil, and cultivation techniques. China. the largest garlic producer in the world, with regions like Shandong and Hebei. Chinese garlic is known for its large size, high yield, and global exports. India. Madhya Pradesh supplies high-quality garlic with a strong aroma and rich nutrients. Vietnam. Lai Sun garlic, Quang Nai, is renowned for its small size, distinctive fragrance, and is likened to white pearls of the earth. South Korea and Japan, known for premium black garlic production through advanced fermentation processes for both domestic and export markets. Manual harvesting techniques. In many Asian countries, garlic is still harvested manually to ensure the best quality. Harvesting timing. Garlic is collected when the leaves turn yellow, but the bulbs remain firm and fresh. Pulling methods. Farmers carefully hand pull each bulb, keeping the roots and stems intact for preservation. The harvested garlic is sun-dried for 7 to 10 days to retain its natural quality. Modern machinery applications. Large farms in China and India utilize automated harvesting machines to boost productivity and save time. Automated washing and sorting systems ensure each garlic bulb meets export standards. Garlic processing methods. Fresh garlic. After sorting, fresh garlic is packaged and directly exported or sold in local markets. Dried garlic. Garlic is peeled, sliced, and dried to maintain its flavor for longer. This product is popular in restaurants, hotels, and home kitchens. Black garlic fermentation. Fresh garlic is fermented under controlled temperature and humidity conditions, creating a product rich in antioxidants. Black garlic is not only delicious but also highly valued as a functional food. Garlic paste or powder. Garlic is processed into powder or paste and packaged in jars, offering convenience for users. Application of modern technology. Vacuum packaging technology ensures garlic retains freshness for extended periods. UV sterilization machines eliminate bacteria and ensure food safety. Key markets. Asian garlic is exported to over 100 countries, with major markets including the US, Europe, and the Middle East. China accounts for more than 70% of global garlic exports, while Vietnam and India focus on premium products like organic garlic and black garlic. Strategies to enhance export value. Building brands. Lai Sun garlic from Vietnam and Korean black garlic are geographically protected products. Diversified products. Transitioning from fresh garlic exports to processed products increases economic value. Challenges. Climate change. Irregular temperatures and rainfall impact garlic yield and quality. Global competition. Asian garlic faces competition from other major producers, such as Spain and the US. Innovative solutions. Sustainable farming. Utilizing drip irrigation technology and organic fertilizers to optimize yield. Smart processing. Investing in modern technologies, improving product quality, and expanding export markets. The journey from sprawling garlic fields across Asia to world-class processed products is a story of creativity and resilience by farmers and enterprises. Every garlic bulb represents not only economic value but also a symbol of culture, health, and pride for Asian nations. If you feel inspired by this journey, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to this channel to explore more fascinating stories from Asian agriculture.